Hi there. I had a question. How do I take one of the little decodable books that I made, and how can you put it together? How can you assemble it? So there's a couple of ways you could do that. You can cut and staple the pages that way. But if you want to do a specific assembly that the pages will be double-sided, this is what I do. So I remember learning this when I used to assemble reading A to Z books. So I have my stack of pages and they're all single-sided, and the cover page is on top. I'm going to take the cover page and put the other pages aside, and I'm going to fold the cover page in half on that fold line and crease it. Okay, so I'm going to put that aside, and then I'm going to take the rest of the pages in a stack and fold those in half. Okay, so you have these. All right, now here comes the part you want to really pay attention to. So I have page 2 here. What I'm going to do is just peel off one page at a time out of the stack and place it face down. So I just did that one. So I'm going to pull off another, place that on top of it. And I'm going to keep peeling off one page at a time, and I have one left, until I have a stack that looks like this of all these folded pages. And I want to just straighten those out and crease them really, really well. And so looks like this. I have page 2 on top, which is the one I want first. Now you're going to grab the cover page that was separate, that you had put aside, and you're going to take this stack of pages and feed it in to the cover page and close it up, so you end up having a book, and you'll see the folds are on the outside. Okay, and then staple, and double check your pages if you want before you staple it. And let's staple and go through. There we go. Try that again. Okay, and there it is. So there's the first page. Okay, and so now it's double-sided. Okay, and the questions are on the back. All right, I hope that helps. Bye-bye.